Alright guys, welcome back. Kind of a late upload, but I have a banger trade for you guys today. So today is Monday the 30th, okay, September 30th. And we had kind of a wonky day, at least for me. But I'll show you guys how I ended up making money and how you guys can make money too when the days are kind of wonky like this. So starting things off, guys, I do not recommend you take trades on Mondays. And I'm going to tell you why. Price action on Mondays tends to be not the most favorable, okay? If you're going to take a trade on a Monday, I recommend you guys wait until PM session, which starts at 1 p.m. and ends at 3 p.m., okay? So let's get right into the trade recap really quick. So first things first, guys, I always mark out my London high and my London low, right? These are the London session highs and lows, which London session starts at 2 a.m. ends at 5 a.m., right? So we have this low over here, we have this high. Okay, so coming into the day, I didn't really have a bias necessarily. I was just kind of waiting for something to happen, and that something came in the form of this right over here. What we did here, we swept out these London session lows, right? And in turn, price shot up and hit these highs, right? There was not much confluence that went into this trade. I kind of just took it off of intuition and other certain things that you learn the more you trade. So first things first, I knew, right, that this was going to repeat itself, right? We swept out these highs or these lows and we went to the highs, and we swept out these highs and we went to the lows, right? Now, the way that I saw this working in my head was I saw these candles, these wicks, right? These wicks, they get progressively higher, but then we start seeing more to the downside, right? And this candle right here was my main confluence. It was a break of structure, right? This candle broke below these lows over here and finished right below them, right? That is called a break of structure, but we broke right below these lows and we finished right below these lows. Now, for me, that was enough confluence to enter this trade and ride it all the way down. And for the stop losses, I basically put them a couple of ticks away from this these highs over here. And as you can see, price flooded the face all the way to the downside, swept these lows again, and continued higher, right? And it's just, guys, it's literally back and forth, right? You can see it right here. Boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, and bam. Okay. I don't necessarily trade like this all the time. It just so happened to be that today was a pretty shitty, I call it wacky Mondays, because on Mondays you don't get the best price action and you tend to get fucked a lot of the times. I took a trade, I broke my rule, I took a trade on a Monday, and I promise you'll never see that again. Another thing, so I'm starting to take trades on my other funded account. I have two funded accounts. Okay, I have a funded account that I kind of was just not being too serious with, being a little bit more riskier, that ended up taking over the other funded account because of how much money I made on it, and I essentially passed this funded account. So from now on, I'm going to be using this funded account. I also have the other funded account still. As you can see, I took a little tiny trade on it. It was at 500, I think. But yeah, for now I'm taking trades on this funded account. But yeah, that was the trade recap for the day, guys. Money wise, I think I made 2,000 something on this trade. Really good trade. I think this is my best trade ever, actually. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe for more trade recaps and for more learning. Okay, if you guys want to make money, just ask me in the comments. I will try to teach you. Okay, I got misinformed so much when I started learning how to trade. I don't want you guys to get misinformed and lose out on making money and potentially stop trading because you don't feel like you know what you're doing. Okay, this happens all the time where people literally stop trading because they get so misinformed and they're learning stuff from the wrong people, and they end up just falling in this rabbit hole and they never get out of it. Okay, but I don't want you guys to be like that. I want you guys to learn how to trade. Okay, I want you guys to make money trading too. It's really not that hard, guys. I started when I was 16 and I'm 17 now, and I'm a funded trader, so you guys can do it too. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.